how to use these nunchucks?
Yeah. I know to be good.
How about with this thing? And then Rumah.
Oh my god, what are you guys doing?
Oh no!
Apa ini?
We just want to unbox it.
Oh my god! Apa?
Power Rangers yang biasa.
Biasa.
Cuma ada yang
Ini lagi sama siapa?
Nama saya Christopher. And now we're gonna unbox this thing. Wait. And we are unbox this thing.
Cuma aslinya itu Chris.
Jadi sama siapa lagi satu ini? Oh. So.
Ya, Romii.
Bertiga. Kalian bertiga, you are grounded.
Oh yeah.
Wait, no, I don't want to be grounded.
Okay. What about we unbox that things?
Yes, I like that.
I like that.
Let's do it.
Okay. Kali ini ready episode berapa?
Bukan 10.
Iya memang 10. Tidak 10.
Oh, 3.
10 nih memang.
Apa itu?
10 satunya video.
Iya, 10 tapi ini belum edit, jadi ini ada 3.
Hihihi.
Ayo ulang. Rumah Riley.
Rumah Riley episode 10.
Salah. Episode 3.
Oke, ulang. Tunggu satu lagi.
Rumah Riley episode 10.
Ih, salah.
Oh. Rani
Ulang.
nakal.
1, 2, 3.
Rumah Riley episode 3.
Yeay.
Si Power Rangers
His name is Tom.
No,
Name is Tommy.
yes.
Tommy on the Green Ranger.
Blah blah blah. And show us what you have. in the
He's a
box.
bad guy. He's a bad guy.
Tommy is a good bad guy.
Good bad guy. Good bad guy.
Bad guy. Bad woman. Hello guys, and he is Chobo. And this is his one. This is his one. Look at this. I ever has this, but
You have that real size.
it's been a long time ago. Dia nggak bisa kan mas? Dia nggak bisa.
Kalau dapat kan?
Nah, ini bisa bahasa Indonesia lah. This is Indonesian video.
Oh, okay. You can do like you can like wow, he's a very bad guy.
He's holding the helmet.
Oh my god. His name is Red Ranger. So I want to open. What's going? Oh my god! Here we go. This is my answer. Here we go. I'm a Power Ranger. Watch! Oh. Hey, let me get. Can I borrow that? No, you need to type. Can I borrow? I want to do this. He don't want. So this is the Red Ranger. I don't know his level.
Power level?
Yes.
He's strong, but maybe not as strong as Tommy. Can you show us?
He's saying that Tommy.
Okay, can you show us the video?
Tommy is what?
Apa lagi yang mau? Next.
Tommy is what? The monster. Tommy.
Can he kick? No, kick like this. No, this. Let me do it. You're cutting and he can do flips. Hello guys, my name is Power Ranger. My favorite color is red. That means I'm red.
What? Brave, brave.
I'm the leader of Power Rangers. Okay, can I sit down?
You may sit,
Okay.
but I don't think you can open it while sitting because of the box, I think.
Whoa, this is so big. Hey, Wally! You cannot open it. Ooh, there's the box again. A box inside the box. I am a blockhead. My name is Steve. Oh my god! Who's that? Back to the video. Back to the video.
I'm invisible.
Okay, I'm gonna open this thing. What is this thing? I want to see. I want to see. I want to see. I know this is my turn.
Wow.
Okay, we have this one. What?
So, what you gonna do with that? First, you put it together.
Yep. Red. Oh, there's blockhead.
What the hot rocket? Rocket.
It works. Yes, can you help me? Oh, this is
So,
you have this thing. We need to put it in this one. Okay, done. So this is the head. And this thing, I need to
wait,
this is feet, right?
see how you put it.
What? Can I see?
Look at the manual.
Oh, so we have this feet. This is a feet, right? Okay, we do it in this. Oh, you put it back in here. And done.
Ah, okay, nice. The other one.
Where are you? Where are you?
Okay, let's put the other feet.
Wait. Okay, so we have another. There's a box.
What the?
Who are you? I did a mess. Wait. Okay, another. Later. There's another thing. Okay, so we are done. And guys, this is the title. This is the in sampingnya. Ini ekornya. Tail. Wing. And head.
Me.